Hi everyone, welcome back to Flash Animation tutorial. Today we are going to learn shape tween in the Flash animation. As you see in this project we will do this one. Um, the circle, it starts from the circle and from the first frame, and then it transforms from circle to square, and after that it turns to again circle, and it getting small and then getting bigger and covers all the page. If you play this with Control Enter, you will see a good animation in this project. It's pretty good. So we will start together doing this. File, new, and then Action Script 3. So as usual, I'm going to draw a circle by holding down Alt and Shift to draw a good circle. Okay, with a good ratio, it increases the size. And I would like to convert this from circle to square, and I want them to be done in the 10 frames. So for that reason I'm going to put another keyframe in the 10th, and after that I'm going to delete it and draw one square. Okay, and I can also change the color of this. I can click on this. Okay. All I have to do is to click right between these keyframes and then apply their shape tween. As you see, everybody, it's transformed the tool from one form into another, and now I'm going to continue doing my project by applying more shape tweens. I'm going to click right here and then insert keyframe, and my object was like this, and after that I want him to go to a little bit down. Okay, and I would like to also change its color and rotate it a little bit. As you see, when you click from here, you can resize when you go a little bit outside of these corner points, and you will see this circle, and which means you can rotate it. Alright, I'm going to right click there and give a shape tween. Here we go. And I'm going to put another keyframe. So in the beginning of this third action, let's say this is the first action, this is the second. So third, and the third action, in the beginning of third action, it will be a rectangle, and in the end, I want him to be a circle. I'm going to draw a circle here by holding down Alt and Shift. And I would like to change its color to this one, or let's change with a darker one. Okay, in the beginning it's a square, in the end it's a circle, and I'm going to right click there, apply the shape tween, and it will turn from this one to a circle. Alright, and after that I want him to get smaller while it's moving from right to left. Right click again, insert a keyframe, and I want him to be here in the end of the stage, but I would like to see it in the smaller size. Alright, so this is the beginning of the fourth action, and then another keyframe at the end of the fourth action. It's become very small. I'm going to apply their tween, and look at the ball. That's a really good animation from big size to a smaller size. And after that I want him to cover all the stage. I will click right on the frame 60 and get the free transform, and by holding down the shift by holding down Alt and Shift, I'm going to resize this so as much as it covers all the stage. That's it. I'm going to right click there and apply the shape tween. As you see, it's going to cover all the stage. Hoppa. So press enter to see the action only once. Alright, if you want to see the animation continuously playing, you can place Control and enter, and it's going to play this over there. It's a pretty good animation. So with that, we have done this project using this shape tween tool in the Flash animation program. I hope it was useful to understand. I think it was also fun to make this understand doing this project. Thanks for watching. We will do more interesting projects in the following tutorials. See you there. Bye bye.